In this problem, we will use a scale drawing in order to calculate the actual length. Adon has a map with the following scale. The distance on the map from Clarksville to Jackson is 2 inches. What is the actual distance from Clarksville to Jackson? The scale says 1/2 inch to 50 miles.
The important information in the problem is scale 1/2 to 50, which is a ratio, Clarksville to Jacksonville, which is 2 inches on the scale map. So now we're going to try to figure out what the problem is asking. It is asking what is the actual distance from Clarksville to Jackson. There are two ways to solve this problem. We could set it up as a fraction or we could use a ratio table. Today we're going to do both. So we know we are comparing two things, and the two things that we are comparing are inches and miles. Alright, so I know that 1/2 inch is equivalent to 50 miles. And if I complete my ratio table, we have 1 inch is equal to 100 miles. We have 1 1/2 inch is equal to 150 miles. And then we have 2 inches, which is equal to 200 miles. So I'm looking for Clarksville to Jackson, which is 2 inches. So here is our 2 inches. 2 inches is 200 miles. Now, if I wanted to set up an equivalent fraction, as I have started, the information that they gave me was inches. So since we have inches, the 2 is going to go on top. Just like any equivalent fraction, whatever we do to the top, we have to do to the bottom. So what can I multiply 1/2 by to get 2? Or I could think how many 1/2s fit into the number 2. Well, a half plus a half is a whole, plus another half is a whole. That gives me 2, so we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to multiply the top by 4. Whatever we do to the top, we always do to the bottom. I know that 1/2 times 4 is 2, and 50 times 4 is 200. So our answer is 200 miles.
The answer to this problem is 200 miles. Please select the correct answer and hit submit. Thank you, and I hope that you enjoyed working on this board problem.